You can't be an asshole and a losing coach.
Language, Opal. This is a school, for fuck's sake.
Hoops is an animated sitcom with adult targeted audience. The series dropped on Netflix recently and most of the critics didn't like it as much because of its main character's foul mouth. But I loved the series just because of that reason alone. I wouldn't say it is as good as Rick and Morty, but it's up there. And the top reason would be that the series is grounded at human level, as all of its characters are humans and not much to remember, where we can just sit back and watch Ben navigate his ordinary life into something special while laughing at him. Let's begin the breakdown of the series and explain it. Glenwood High School's basketball team coach Ben only had one big dream: to leave the god-awful and his demeaning job to become a big league coach. All his life was overshadowed by his overachieving father Barry Hopkins, and people surrounding him constantly reminded him of that. Ben finally gets the chance to achieve his dreams at the end. The final episode of the series begins with Ben shouting that he fucked his wife, as we see earlier that he and Shannon, his wife, has an estranged relationship, where his wife was dating his best friend Ron. At last she breaks up with Ron and gets back with Ben. But that feeling doesn't last long for Ben, as Shannon tells Ben over dinner that sleeping with him was a mistake. And Ben gets heartbroken, thinking that he will never mount up to someone who matters. And that's when a coach from fancy New England private school comes to Ben, but not for him, for Matty. But Matty doesn't wanna go, as he finally found his place at Glenwood High. Ben hires Connie, the prostitute, to play Matty's mother and refuses the offer. But she goes off script and does the opposite by accepting the offer to send Matty to New England. Afterwards, Ben comes clean to Lamont, the New England school team's coach. Ben gets the offer of assistant coach at New England if Matty goes there. Due to that, Ben convinces Matty's real mother to send him against Matty's wishes. The next day, as Ben and Matty leaves for New England, they find a flat tire and can't change it because Ben gave all the tools to his team as gifts. At this moment, the camera pans away, not knowing if they managed to reach New England or not. The series had good humor, although a bit repetitive at some times, but that doesn't matter as much. Also, it wasn't just a baseless sitcom, but rather had a great storyline and a bit of a moral lesson that we should work hard until we achieve our dreams. The series had too much cursing, which is not a requirement to create a dark comedy. The show is made for adults and we can understand the hidden meanings behind the jokes, and they did not have to explain the jokes to us like idiots. One last thing is the relationship between Ben with his father and his kids. Now Ben is always cursing and demeaning at kids. This is a bit illogical, as he knows what effects that had on him by his father. He should have been more protective of his team and curse at everyone else for not respecting him and his team. That was all for the review of Hoops Season 1. Thank you for watching the video. Like and comment with your thoughts on the series. Also, here are some more videos for you to watch.